my perfume. Spray, spray, spray everywhere. It's my outfit for today. Woohoo. Okay, let's go. Bye. Let's hope it's not heavy. Okay, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Just got off my Grab hitch and on the way to my sister's house. Spent like $5 on my Grab hitch at this timing. Okay, what time is it now? It's like almost 8, I think. Okay, I didn't know the van would come that early, so it's like I panicked for a while, but Diana told me that they have to come like half an hour earlier before the actual time that they have to go off. So yeah. Alright. They're so cute. I was supposed to reach my sister's house at 7. That was what I was planning. But right now 7:35. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm supposed to go up. It's alright. Whew. Okay. Assalamualaikum.
So pretty.
Go see kakak and abang, okay? Hello. What are you wearing today?
Wings Club.
Wings Club. Abang, what are you wearing today?
Abang, what
Abang. Running Man. Got all the bags ready.
When the morning
Oh, this one is to unfold the whole thing.
That one is the other one. Okay, aja dah kasih lah. Wah, magic kan.
Dia nak tuan ni juga.
Tuan ni juga. Pula
Thank you.
Dia semua kat belakang.
Okay.
So we are going to pick Diana up. Hi. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I was actually expecting Pika and Diana duduk belakang until he said the space kat belakang. So okay, then I'm like, oh, okay. Then it's like a totally different. I thought different MTV.
Tak yang macam mana yang jaga tapi tu?
Bukan. Shopping ke? Apa ni?
For the kids.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, my drink. Yeah. Yeah, everybody.
when the morning
Ice cream. Hot dog. Yeah. We've arrived, but we don't have like a proper parking place. And it's raining, guys. Let's just pray that it doesn't rain on the day that we're gonna go for the ride.
Kau tak pergi mall eh?
Alah.
Mamat betul.
Mami.
Our term that people don't understand. Okay, everybody get ready to go out. So we just arrived and checked into our hotel. Anyway, the highest level is at level 3. Oh, it's dark. Oh my god. 308. This is 302. Oh, we are totally far apart from my sister's one. We are right in the middle. We're in the middle. Yeah, ours is right in the middle. Eh, nak tengok.
Toilet ni.
Ooh.
Like Hong Kong all over.
Oh, what? This?
I don't remember my stay in Hong Kong. Okay, I shall go before sorry lah.
I struggling opening the door.
So this is our room. Can you open your shoe, Diana? Let's see the view. See the view. See the view.
This is the view of
I mean-
our block, next block.
Our view
That's
is
our
KFC.
neighbour.
Yeah, our view is KFC.
This is another GM hotel though.
That's the older one. We are out now to explore the area around us. It really looks like palace.
When the morning
We bought like samyang cups for tonight. Cheers for tonight. Macam apa je?
What is yogurt balls? Cadbury's?
We need to stop shopping for food. We seriously need to stop. If this was halal, we probably would have grabbed it.
Yeah, seriously, this freaking thing also not halal.
It's not. They are the same thing.
Ah, yes.
The biggest number. You can open the door. There's people inside. There's no.
Hey, vacuum the hotel. Oh, it actually shows if somebody is inside the room when the light is on. Ooh, you realize?
Rumah tidur. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we're finally back in the hotel. So let's just end our day 1. It's been very exhausting because we've been sitting in the van since morning for like what, 6 to 7 hours, is it? Around there lah. Then after that we just it was raining and whatever not. So now we're just gonna eat samyang that we just bought at cold storage earlier, and after that we're just gonna rest before we start our second day to go to the theme park. Peace. Bye.